eye is still swollen.
Explain the drink you made for us tonight.
Wait, guys.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?
Hey guys, hi.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer.
Finally, thankfully there's 4 in our generator. I heard there's 4 scarcity now, but it's 4 in our generator, and so we're able to turn on the gen. Yeah. Nigeria with Nigeria, but I'm not gonna let it get to me in Jesus' name. Anyway, guys, I actually came because I wanted to just refill our drinks, and yeah, we're drinking and eating for the night. Okay, I feel like this is going to be the end of the vlog for today, so you know what to do. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to bright and beautiful day. The time should be currently, I think maybe the time is 9 a.m. now. Yeah, we slept pretty late, and so we woke up like really late, but I woke up a long time before that. I just did not pick up my phone at all. But anyway, like, how are you guys doing? It's a beautiful, bright, and wonderful Wednesday. Really bright and wonderful Wednesday. And right now, I just want to do the dishes while making breakfast. I want to make what am I making for breakfast today? We're having toasted bread, just butter toasted bread, and eggs, and then coffee for breakfast. So I feel like my eye is still swollen from sleeping. Yeah. But yeah, that's how my day is about to start, and I'll see you guys later.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my head, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow.
For my recipe, these are leaves. This is smoked chicken. Onions. This is blended tatashi and onions. And of course, this is my stock. I have both turkey and pork meat stock here. All right. So let's check on our meat. Meat is ready. And I'll fry it now. The yam first. Washed yam.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Oh my god, it's a bright and beautiful morning.
welcome to another day of the vlog, and it's Friday. I love Fridays. Fridays are the best days to chill, relax, and do all the shenanigans. So yes, today is Friday, and I haven't figured out what I'm going to make yet for dinner. I like to do things for Fridays, especially our staying in Fridays. Days that we're not going up, I like to do, bring a Friday feel to the house. But I don't know yet what I'm going to make. But I'll most likely make I don't know yet, maybe chips, pepper sauce. I'll add one of them, I'll figure that out later. But yeah, guys, welcome to a new vlog. Okay, this morning I think my husband already ordered Indomie cafe, so we're having those for breakfast. That means I'm not cooking. Yay! Yeah, but by the way, guys, let me tell you about that yam and potato porridge of yesterday. It was Coca-Cola stick. It was so nice. My husband kept complimenting the meal, and we really enjoyed it. It was so tasty. I don't know the magic that happened. I know that normally sweet potato, they are sweet. I mean, yes, sweet potato, they are sweet, but I didn't know that it was this sweet, because this was good. It was really nice. It was really nice. I hope you tried the recipe, and if you do, using my recipe for yam and sweet potato, please let me know in the comment section, or tag me to a video of it on Instagram or anywhere on social media. I hope you're having a great time. If you watched this vlog to this point, that means you're loving it. So why don't you subscribe, give it a thumbs up before you leave today. All right, I love you. And yeah, my eyes are trying to close because you sleep. It's hungry so much. Sleep still needs to, Anyway, bye. All right, explain the drink you made for us tonight.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be the Malibu, right?
Okay.
But then, since we don't have like coconut liquor or anything,
okay,
I just started to twist it a little using the same recipes. So,
okay.
This time I added 2 ounces of rum.
Okay.
You have white rum, any kind of white rum will do. So 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of Contral. But if you have like triple sec, you can use like regular triple sec. I would advise Contral. And 1 ounce of lemon juice, that's freshly squeezed lemon. 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Yeah, that's it. Now, of course, there's syrup and grenadine. 1 ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of simple syrup on the other part. And then for grenadine, it's also supposed to be half an ounce, but the idea is just so you put it on top of like spoon so that it just falls to the bottom of the drink before you mix. Right now, you've already mixed it, so before you mix, you see that it sort of separates the color from the bottom to the top. You can also add cranberry juice. If you have cranberry juice, you can use like 1 ounce of cranberry juice. I use 2 ounces of cranberry juice, but you can use 1 ounce of cranberry juice just make it come. That's my own twist on the Malibu.
Nice. Having the fish now, and so I'm going to be adding my crayfish. I like to be very generous with my crayfish, so we're trying to aim for no water at all. So we're going to wait for this water to dry, and then we stir now. Our Edikaikong soup is ready.
I want that good life, I want that sweet